The DC Lottery gives you a fun chance to win some money, and they're always coming up with great ways on how you can do it. Here to tell us about what they're offering is Buddy Rugow, the Executive Director of the DC Lottery. Now, Buddy, we have some millionaire winners to announce, right?
You know, we have this Millionaires Club, and it's expanding. And, you know, entry is free. You have to buy a ticket. But other than that, you have to win. And we have two new winners who won $1 million each, and one won on the DC Black 2 ticket, which is a fairly new ticket for us, extremely popular. And there's still another $1 million win on that ticket. And the second was our second chance contest winner from DC Gold.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about some ways that you can go and find a ticket that may make you $1 million winner. But let's talk about this second chance. What exactly is a second chance, and how can we get a second chance? Okay,
so the DC Gold one is over, but we still have a second chance opportunity with a lot of our tickets, but Soul Train is the one that we're talking about the most. So with Soul Train, you could win simply by looking at the back of the ticket. If you're a non-winner, you simply enter it at dclottery.com, enter the serial number, and one of those lucky serial numbers will be chosen to win a trip to the Soul Train Awards for 2, and another on the Soul Train Cruise, again for 2. So it's just so easy.
You could be a winner on the ticket, you could be a winner after the ticket. You get lots of chances to win with that
We're
ticket.
the home of the $1 million opportunities. We want more members of our Millionaires Club. We've been trying, and we're advertising all over the place. Please join.
Well, there are a couple of ways that you can become a millionaire by scratching and winning.
That's right.
Let's talk about some of our best bets.
Okay, so DC Gold, while we had our second chance contest, it's still over 90% sold, and there's still $1 million winner on that. So somewhere out there at one of our locations, there's a DC Gold $1 million ticket. Go look for it. We want to bring that person in.
91% sold out, so if you see that one, grab it. You've got a great chance at winning in that one.
Right.
How about money, money, money?
Money, money, money. Now that's another ticket. We're pushing 75% sold out on that. It's $1 million prize, one still left, so another chance to become $1 million winner.
And Funky Fives?
Funky Fives. I think Funky Fives has 2 chances left. Yes, it's almost 90% sold. Top prize of $5,555, and there's 2 of them left.
I like this one. Winner take all.
Winner take all. We want the winner to take all. It's always the best way. And here's a really cool one. Almost 90% sold. $50,000 top prize. 2 $50,000 winners still left. So we love winner take all. And then finally, we've got red hot fives, and they are red and hot. Almost 85% sold, a $50,000 prize still remaining. So we have some great tickets that are pushing nearly sold out status and still have top prizes remaining.
All kinds of things to win. Now, there's also some new things going on with the DC Lottery. Is this a new game?
We have a new game no one else offers. It's not available in Maryland, it's not available in Virginia, only DC. It's called Tap and Play. And Tap and Play is just like it sounds. You go up to one of our self-service machines, you pick a number of different games, and you can actually touch the screen. It's like a touch screen opportunity, and you can win and keep playing, and it gives you all these wonderful opportunities. It makes you feel like you're part of the game. We love the game, and it's very, very successful.
And you can find these all over town?
All over town, wherever we have self-service terminals. Not every retailer has them. You'll have to go and see. But we do have them always at Union Station, which I love to talk about. Union Station is our home for everything that we try.
So you can find the DC Lottery now all over town. You can find places to tap and play, and you can go to Union Station and see you guys at your only retail location.
That's right. And at all 500 retailers, you can buy these scratch-off tickets to win $1 million.
Very exciting. Thanks so much for your best.
It's great to be here, Kate.
There's more Let's Talk Live. Don't go away.